Welcome, in front of me I have iGet Smart L203 and I'll show you how you can install iPhone keyboard on this device. So you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search bar and type green Apple keyboard. Let's get this application. Right now we can open. Click to enable in the settings, tap on the switcher, click OK another time, and just go back and click on the input options and switch to English keyboard, tap finish, and right now take a look. As you can see, our keyboard has changed and it looks almost identical like on the iPhone. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.